What if I told you that you can create professional model photos for your clothing store without hiring photographers, renting studios, or managing real models? Sounds impossible? Well, today I'll show you how to do a completely free AI photo shoot to showcase your products just like top brands such as H&M and Zara. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make stunning AI-generated model photos that can boost your store sales and make it look more professional. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. To create the model photos, the first step is to click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Now, this is a program that we are going to run, and once we run it, we will get the AI tool that will help us create our model photos. So to run the program, first make sure you sign into your Google account. And once you're signed in, just click Connect here. Once the connection is complete, click this play button. Click Run anyway, and let's wait for a few seconds for the tool to be ready. Once it is ready, just click on this link. You can see we've got the AI tool. Once you've got the tool, next, let's use it to create the model photos. First, we need to upload the image of the dress. So to do that, let's select Import Image here and go to Image Prompt. Here you can upload the image of the dress that you want the model to wear. To upload the image, just click here or drag and drop here. Now make sure you upload a high-quality image so your model photos can show the fine details of the dress. Okay, after uploading the image, select the advanced checkmark in the bottom and you'll get these settings. Now, when we generate our model images to get an accurate representation of this dress, we need to change the stop at value to 0.85 and the weight to 0.99. Once you've done that, make sure you select this advanced option and you will get more say. Here, choose the number of images you want to generate. I am going to choose 4. Now select the size of the images you want. Then here choose quality. This will help you create good quality images. Now select a model. Okay, next let's choose the style of the images we want. If you hover over any style, you can see this is how it looks. So select the ones you like. Next. Here you need to enter the prompt for how you want the model photos to look. If you have no idea, don't worry. I have an alternative for that. Open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Now upload the image of your product through which you want to create a model image. Now type this prompt. And press Enter. Now wait for its response. I will put it in the description box for your convenience. See, ChatGPT has created a good quality prompt for us. Now, copy this prompt. Go back to this app and paste this prompt into this prompt box. Once you're done, click the Generate button. It will take a few seconds to generate photos based on your prompt and product image. And we'll get our photos here. Wow, these photos look amazing. Now to download the images, just click Download here and it will be downloaded. You can do the same for all the images. Now, if we compare the images with the actual dress, you can see it's pretty accurate and they look really great. So sometimes you may get images that don't match the original product. In such cases, you can create the images again like how we did, and you can select the accurate images. You can create images without any limits using the same rules. If you have any questions after watching the video, please let me know in the comments. Or you can share your AI-related questions through my social media. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So, see you in the next video. Until then, be well, goodbye.